Check, mic check. Okay, we are good. Let's get into it. Put this to the side. Okay, give it all this. What it do, YouTube? It is your boy Devin. We are back here with a new video. Today we are playing Teleforum, or I don't know. I'm not going to try to pronounce that. But I've heard a lot about this game, and something about recording recording about someone's husband dying, something like that. I don't know, but like, I'm ready. I'm happy. Let's get into it. See if my mic loud enough. Hello, hello. Hey, you got that camera on? Yeah, it's best to have as much material as possible. We can edit it all later. We want 6th floor. Can you get the button? Can I look around? Okay. I can't even. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I can't. Okay. Couldn't even see it. What is it? You look like you have something to say. Do you think it's wrong to bother Widow? I was just thinking about what happened. Did you get authorization for this? Yeah, did we get authorization for this, bro? Like, why are we doing this? What are you talking about? They never approve sensational, okay, stories like this. You need to hand them the complete material. Get it? If it's already done, it's harder for them to refuse it. It was bizarre. You didn't see it, did you? They just told me how it happened. What he used to do. You know? You're lucky. I wish I hadn't seen it. You heard it, right? He gave Celso a VHSC. The VT operator? First of all, Juliana looking kind of fine. Oh my gosh. Then bam, it happened. Oh, we're here. Come on. Okay, we're going to apartment 608. Easy to remember. Alright. Head towards the trash bags. I see 604. Okay, 608. I think that's the apartment just ahead. Here we are. Well, let's get ready, shall we? You can film her getting the door and all that. So should I knock on the door, ring the bell? What'll it look like? What'll it look better on the video? Bro, I don't know. I'm scared, bro. And my audio is probably too loud to this game. Let me turn this audio down. Audio. Turn that down. Alright. I hope that's not too low. Bruh. I gotta adjust the audio again. Hold on. Audio. I gotta adjust it again. I'm tweaking. Alright, my fault. Chill. Alright, we good. I wonder if she's up talking to strangers right now. I hope the camera doesn't act up during the interview. Yeah. What do you mean? The cameraman look like a murderer. It malfunctions sometimes. It blacks out for no reason. I think they gave me this one because I'm new. Let's do the story. Then in fear, okay, won't be able to deny you some new equipment. Let me try again. Man, if you don't open up this door, is she even home? Phineas called her right after it happened. I doubt she's left the house since yesterday. Alright, third time's a charm. Miss, open up the door. Oh, there we go. What do you want? Hi, Mrs. Martins. We're from Channel 8. We came to give you our condolences. Do you really need a video camera for it? We're making a special program about Walter. A homemade. I kind of lost respect him, you see. He worked at the station for so long. So we wanted to talk to you about him. About what happened. Right. Fine, come in. It might be good to talk about it. Quick picker, huh? You gotta be quick on your feet if you want to last on this job. Come on, before she changes her mind. Bro, she looked like she about to murder both of us. Is that her? My fault. Silver, here we film our conversation, okay? Will he? Will he now? I have to think about that. What? Would you like to drink anything? Tea? Coffee? I keep forgetting to do the voice. I never refuse. Oh, I never refuse a cup of coffee. I'm gonna make some. She pulled a fast one, you know. Forget that. Let's snoop around while we have a chance. Make sure to get anything that catches your eye on camera. We're surrounded by material here. Okay. Can I look around? Hello? What this is? Look at these certificates. Journalism degree from UFRJS, oh my gosh, GS. Specialization in communication. Walter was well educated, I think. Mrs. Martin is just the same. What a waste. It would be a shame if you only had shots of the same wall. So look around the whole room here, okay? Okay. Hey, that TV shot looks good. Something funny about this TV. I think there was a lightning strike nearby the other day. Might have messed it up. Actually, I'm pretty sure it happened the same day that Walter, you know. What is this? Is it gonna rain today? Hardly. The rooster says otherwise. Look, but I'm about to give Juliana a girl voice. I'm tired of her sounding like a man. Oh, these roosters never get it. Guess we can use this to take the moon, to set the moon. The plant is begging for water. Guess it's been neglected in the last few days, considering all that happened. Can we stop talking about what happened? Hey, I can hear her putting the water in the filter. She'll be back soon. Check out all you can now. I remember Walter bought this raincoat to cover his story some lake where it rains a lot or something. Right. That image got stuck in my head because he just vanished inside the thing. I remember he got cheated out of some 500 cruise shows for an oversized coat. He looked ridiculous in it, but he paid so much for the dang coat, he just had to wear it. Poor guy. He'll be alright. Chair, frame. Look at this photo. Some scenery. Not a very appealing scenery. Plus it's out of focus. This photo has a story behind it. I can feel it. I'm gonna ask her about it during the interview. There's a painting here. A lake. I think Mrs. Martins painted this. Anything else you can check out? TV, okay. Anything else? Nothing. What is this? Is that a dog? What is that? That's a dog, okay. Thought that was a corpse or something, bro. Good one. We need a nice shot of the gunpowder. Walter even carried the dog's picture in his wallet. He showed it around as if it was a photo of his son. Coffee's almost done. Will you have one? I feel like she gonna poison it, so let's not. This coffee good though. Feel free to have one if you change your mind. So, did you think it over? I did. Let's get this done with. Great. We'll begin shortly. Let's shoot the interview on that chair, Silva. Ready? Wait, that's Juliana, bro. What am I doing? Ready? No, but it doesn't matter. Why is her face blocked out, bro? Okay, let's go in 3, 2, 1. We're here with Mrs. Adriana Martins, the wife of Walter Martins, our dear colleague who left us so abruptly. She agreed to give us an interview during these most trying of times. The house itself really tells a story about how you two lived. Walter dedicated a good portion of his professional life to TV. I couldn't help but notice your television here. Yes. We had a blackout today.
There was a horrible lightning strike nearby right after the broadcast. Almost gave me a heart attack. The TV hasn't been working properly since then.
Bro, my voice starting to hurt from Adriana? Adriana? The devs were so lazy with us, bro.
I leave it all so the house feels less empty.
What about the last 24 hours?
Just look around the house. I've been forgetting things. I would have forgotten to fill the feed gunpowder if you didn't remind me so often. And
Yes.
what a cruel question, girl.
Let's, go on, yes. There was a storm then, right?
Yes. I mean, I remember lightning strike nearby here. Right when.
Yo, I'm about to give you some dementia pills. The paintings in the living room, they're yours, right? Yeah, what? Yes?
Yes. I've been practicing for years. I like painting my dreams. I was preparing Walter's portrait. Can't even look at it now. Look, I'm sorry. I don't think I can keep going.
Of course, Mrs. Martins. We have enough material already.
He was so different. So nervous. I never expected him to.
No one expected that, Mrs. Martins. I still can't even imagine Walter handling a gun.
Gun? What gun? Walter never had a gun.
The gun? The one he used during the show's broadcast?
He did not use a gun.
I know it was a horrible, but I saw it when he pulled the trigger. That's what What is her name? Feria told you back at the station, right? Bro, all these are bad. What do you want me to... Can't he just say he had a heart attack or something? Bro, what? We get options, bro. We can't even have one. Okay. Let's do the less one. What? How can that be?
My goodness. I knew it. Ever since he got that dang tape.
The tape he tried to broadcast? Celso examined the tape back at the studio. I think the film was burned, something like that.
That wasn't the tape! Not the original one. That was a copy.
Seriously? Do you still have the original one?
Yes, here. I don't know what he saw in this thing, and I don't know where he got it from. Walter made me Walter made me promise never to watch it. He only watched it when I wasn't home, or in the small hours of the morning. You want to watch it, don't you? For your show. I don't think that's a good idea, but I'm too tired to try to change your mind. I'm going outside to have a smoke. I don't even want to hear this thing.
Bro, we about to die already, bro. Oh my god. Cookie! Bro, I'm scared already. We ain't even do nothing. This is it. We have quite the story here. You look like you've seen a ghost. You'll stay, right? No! Are you crazy? I'm out. Whoa. Stop right there. I'm not letting you throw this opportunity away. Look, you don't have to watch it. Just film me as I'm watching it. We have more tasks that way. We can insert the tape's content in the video during editing. Bro, literally, that's it? Bro, we're dead. Bro, we're dead. Alright, let's begin. Let's get my first impressions on the film. We can fix it all on the editing later. Bro, we're dead. There, I'll press play. It's starting. Bro, it's a hypno. It's a hypno. Bro. What is this place? I don't recognize this building. These symbols. I can almost... Do they mean anything to you? Gives me deja vu. I feel like I can almost understand them. Looking at them makes my... I feel like... Better. But at the same time, I can't. It feels like they got entangled inside your brain. Oh, it changed. Good. So he did go inside of the building. What is this place? I don't know what that is. Looks like a shopping. Nah, I don't know. It looks like a hallway of some. I guess school. Are those classrooms? Why do their clothes look so much like my high school uniform? He's just walking by everything. What sort of building is this? It's way too long. Pause. Look, there's someone up ahead. That guy. He looks. Oh yeah, good. GG's. GG's. Huh? Stop! Ha! Stop! 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 Just stop! Please stop! No! 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 Pause. Stop! 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 Pause! I can't pause. I can't pause. I'll take my shit off. G. I'll turn. Don't turn up the volume, Juliana. No. No, I'm not. No. Juliana, stop. Turn it off, Juliana. I can't understand a thing. Let me turn this one off. Yo, Juliana's cooked, bro. Bro, we just got hit with a flashbang. We are now inside of Call of Duty. I don't even want to continue this video, bro. Oh, we gotta press something? Oh, we gotta wait, I guess. Okay. We back at it again. Let's get it. Okay, we're in the right building. Is the camera on? Okay, hurry up. Let me get the button. 6th floor, apartment 60. We restarted? Wait, she did this. You look like you've seen a ghost. It's just some deja vu. Yes, bro. That's obviously deja vu. We restarted. Please tell me it's not one of those games that get scarier as you keep on going. Please, please tell me it's not one of those games. Please tell me it's not one of those games. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that, bro. Head towards the window. What? What are you doing? How about you stop wasting our time? Can you do that? What? I think Walter's death got to me. I'm sorry. Sure, I'll try. Let's shoot this interview. Okay. I don't know why her voice just got deep like that. There's the apartment. Finally. I'll do the talking. Whatever you say, Juliana.
Good evening.
We're from Channel 8. We came to talk to you about what happened. You don't mind if we record this, right? You want to talk about Walter, right? The recent events? Everything's stuck in your throat, isn't it?
Come in. It might be good to speak to someone.
Hey, aren't you coming on a little too strong? There's something off here. Are you asking about the tape? Yes. Come on, get in. Cookie, are you... She's still in there.
We're about
My fault. We're about to begin.
will you have anything? Tea, coffee?
No thanks. But I could tell she tired of doing this. She probably did this over and over again, like probably like 60 times, bro.
Well, I'll go make something anyway.
The dog's standing up this time. No, let's just. Gosh darn it. We'll have to wait for her. I'll. I'll. I'll have a look around. Yeah, whatever. Alright, so. Juliana been a little butthole today. In this timeline. Hey, Gunpowder. He seems a little nervous, uneasy, or is he afraid? Look at all these certificates. Walter wasn't a complete dummy, unlike some people back at the studio. Right. Yo, she's actually being so mean right now for no reason. But I don't recognize any of these intuitions. Oh, we can do this now. So many books. Huh? There's one missing. Alright, let's have another look. Let's have a look around. Let me see. What kind of plan is this? No idea, man. It's well taken care of. I think Mrs. Martins didn't let the tragedy affect her routine. Maybe it's what's keeping her functional right now. Hey, there's a weird thing hanging above the front door. Look. There. Go there and take it off. I'm gonna turn the brightness up. Can I turn the... I can't even pause the game to turn it. Tab? Okay. How do I turn the... Hold up. Before I continue this video. I'm trying to turn the... Okay. I guess not. We're turning that down. What is she talking about? This? What? You heard me. You can reach up there if you jump, right? So take it down. It's getting on my nerves. What the heck? My mom had one just like it at home. Looking at this thing reminds me of her. And I don't want to remember her. So can you take that down? Okay, fine. I'll take it down. Here you go. You didn't lose any fingers, did you? What a strange object. What do I do with this now? I don't care, as long as it's away from me. I'm pretty sure that was a pair of boots here when we came in. Nah. There. Look at her. Bro, she... I don't know what she is or who she is, but she's scared me. Let's get to the point. Walter took a tape to the studio, but it wasn't the original one, was it? The original was here, with you.
How do you know that?
We examined the one he had with him. I want to see the original.
Well, yes, I have it here.
I just got a feeling she sound like that, based on her profile picture. Look at her. She looked like she gonna murder us. I don't even know. Do you know where he found this tape?
Is this why you came here? Had I known, I would have opened the door. Here, take it.
Bro, the voice I'm doing sound like the little worm from off of SpongeBob. They'd be like, hey,
Hey, Billy, selling chocolates.
I heard my voice. Oh my gosh, hold on. Alright, we good.
Here, take it. I want to see this thing. I'll have to go have a smoke outside.
See? She did it last time. That's why her voice sound like that. Sound like the... I don't even know what you sound like. But you sound like something. Tell me when you're done.
Oh, tell me when you're done.
Let her be. But you won't, will you? Well... Hey, she's a widow. What's gotten into you? I don't have time for this. But... Fine, you're right. This whole thing is making me antsy. You know what? Why don't you go check up on her? Even better, interview her. You always wanted to do that, right? Here's your chance. See if she's up to answering some questions about the origin of this tape. Bro, she about to stay in there with that tape and there she is. Deep breaths. What's this smell? It's not a cigarette. It's not a cigarette. No. Focus. If I do a good job, I might get new opportunities. I can help Mrs. Martins feel a little better. probably change nothing, but I still want to do it. Let's be honest, it'll probably change nothing. I'm just doing this for myself, am I not? Mrs. Martins.
What is it?
Stop smoking. Your voice gonna sound even deeper. Gonna sound like Darth Vader.
Are you done?
Not yet. Juliana's watching the tape. Meanwhile, I wanted to ask you some questions.
For your program? Shouldn't that be the girl asking questions?
It's an opportunity for me.
Walter also worked many jobs before settling as an anchorman, radio, sound operator, and so on. Fine, let's do this interview of yours. You'd better think very carefully about these questions of yours. My head's about to burst.
What's in the tape?
I don't know. Never watched it. Walter made me promise I'd never watch it. I was kind of curious before. Not anymore.
I need to stop giving her such a deep voice, bro. Do you know where the tape came from? Why did he make a copy? Why did you keep the tape?
I have no idea why I kept the thing. I should have burned it, crossed it with a hammer, but I couldn't. I think I see him when I look at the tape, you know? Just thinking about that girl alone in my living room watching that thing makes my skin crawl. Say, why is she so interested in that tape? Yes. I could see that greed of your colleague's eyes when she asked for the tape. To be honest, I thought you'd ask questions about Walter. He was your coworker, no?
That was a plan. Was it? Really?
Don't you think that colleague of yours is acting a little strange?
Bruh, that's what I've been saying. I could have promised I've seen her before. I could have sworn, I could have seen her before. I don't know, bro.
To be honest, I have a feeling I've seen you before as well. Maybe I've seen her at the studio. I'm not sure.
Yeah, Adriana, let's just pretend that the whole day didn't just restart and now we're doing this all over again, okay? Let's pretend, okay? So that it may not. I don't think so. I haven't been working for that long.
Maybe that's why you don't seem to like her. Not yet, anyway.
Me? Yes.
Yes, why are you in this anyway? So you choose to omit yourself, right?
No.
No. I shouldn't blame you. You're not at fault. Not really. You know, I get it. I get the idea of moving up the ladder. The allure of this sensationalist piece of news. You can see it too, can't you? Nothing good came from this tape, from this whole thing.
The object weighs heavily in my pocket. What does that even mean? Nothing but misery. Is that how you spell misery? I don't think so. That's precisely why we need to investigate.
Do we really need to? Is it really the search for truth that's motivating this story you're working on?
I should have said that in the whole sentence.
Or is it something else?
And if it is something else, then it wouldn't be right. I want to know, is it that's the reason it's necessary?
I'm not sure. Right is the concept we're looking for. What I do know is that you two being here makes me apprehensive. I don't want to ignore this feeling.
Bro, I'm getting scared low key. I don't know why I played this game.
To be honest, I've been questioning how things have been progressing. I can't just not do my job because of how I feel.
I'm ready to give her a normal voice.
I think it's the best that we end this here.
Oh my gosh. I need to pay attention, bro. Didn't even notice that I was options. I can't just not do my job because of it.
Of course. You just don't learn. Look, I've got a splitting headache. We'll check if she's done, then leave, please. I want my living room back.
Bro. Bro. But don't go in there. Cameraman, don't. Okay. You know, scared me a little bit, but we good. I'm about to get on my phone because I'm scared a lot, very much. Scared. I'm scared. Okay. Man, we ain't no punks. Let's get into this video. Come on. I need to reach the apartment. Apartment. Which apartment? 608. Yes, that was it. I had someone else with me. Jew. That's right. The girl. That tape. What I saw in it. Bro, I don't know. And if it was not recorded, can I ever wake away from it? The apartment. She stayed there. It's not the 6th floor anymore. What is that even? Everything can be used. Bro, what is that noise? This sound. Do I really want to follow it? No. Bro, you're gonna die. Bro, what? Can we go back? I don't want to do this. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go this way, bro. Let's follow the sound. Because we're definitely not black, okay? Let's just follow the sound. What is this door? Is this where she was? What happened? Please don't jump scare me. Please. I don't want to see what's in there. I do. I need to see what's... I don't want to see in there. Thank you. Thank you. He's smart. Where did I smell this before? What is that? Bro, please pause. I can't pause. I'm telling y'all now, bro. If I get jump scared, I'm ending the video. Bro, I can't even look at the screen, bro. Bro, I don't even... Ah! I'm scared. I'm scared, bro. Bro, we're cooked. We are done for, bro. I don't even know what just happened. Alright, I guess let's go into this door. The door won't budge, but there's a grate. Alright, we're cooked, we're done. Where's she going? Bro. Thank you. Bro, thank you for being smart, bro. Please leave. Bro, go back, bro. Bro, we are so done right now. Gunpowder? What happened here? Bro, I'm too scared to even read, bro. Why is it dog here? Where's your owner? Hey, Gunpowder, where's your owner? Am I imagining things? Or is your dog foot in the apartment? Oh, no, not now, come on. Please, no. Gunpowder? Come back here. What's gotten into him? He just dashed down the hole. Huh? Looks like he was lying on here. No. It's a no. I had it, and it did what I shouldn't. Now I have an unending nightmare in my brain. An endless loop with no chance of escape. And what scares me the most? It's not much worse than life I left behind. If anyone reads this, don't leave Gunpowder alone. She also. Look, these letters are giving me vertigo. Wait, the dog. Where'd he go to? Gunpowder? I'm going inside. I look, you want to leave. Am I going inside? Really? Really? I will. The cameraman would have died. I just noticed it now. And it's awful. What? Maybe when I submit my application. Bro, I'm about to click off this game, bro. I'm about to click off this game, bro. Come on. I'm going in. Stop, don't go in, please. Oh my gosh. Gosh, cameraman, please be smart. There's not deep breath anymore. Boy, okay, bro. Everyone, say goodbye to the cameraman. What the fuck is that? G. I thought I saw a body. I'm sorry. Don't zoom in. Oh my gosh. I'm not looking at the screen, bro. I need some coffee. It's not in. Walter Martins.
Caros telespectadores, boa noite. Hoje nós teremos uma transmissão especial do nosso programa, possivelmente a minha última. E com ela trago um comunicado a fazer para todos vocês. Descobri algo nas últimas semanas que tem me assombrado desde então. Palavras não serão o bastante para descrever o que descobri. Portanto, eu vou precisar mostrar. Talvez isso venha assombrar vocês, assim como tem me assombrado. Mas a minha profissão, o meu trabalho, foi revelar a verdade durante todos esses anos. E se quisermos nos libertar, preciso que todos saibam disso que tenho a mostrar. Por isso, peço que todos sintonicem bem seus aparelhos. Não cruzem suas pernas, isso é importante. Mas fiquem confortáveis com a coluna reta e observem com atenção.
How do you know my legs was crossed? Walter, a psychic? I don't know what is going on. Okay, that's that. Please tell me we don't have to. Okay, we don't gotta rewatch that. Alright. There's Emmons. Okay. This game was kinda scary, not gonna lie to you. But there you have it, that was California. Teleforum, whatever you wanna call it. Shout out to Warto Martins, whatever. I don't even know why I'm shouting him out. Whoever, I think he made this game is, I guess so. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, bro.